Let's begin day 36 with a comprehensive welcome and roadmap. Architectural decision records, or ADRs, are short, structured documents that capture significant architectural decisions in a project. They answer the questions: what decision was made? Why was it made? What alternatives were considered? What trade offs were accepted? Today, we'll explore why ADRs have become a best practice in modern software architecture, how they prevent tribal knowledge and repeated debates, and how they support long term system maintainability and evolution. We'll cover templates, writing guidelines, tools, integration with existing processes, and common pitfalls. This topic builds directly on Day 35's ML integration, where documenting model choices is critical, Day 34's big data platforms, and Day 20's cloud native decisions, tying everything back to Day 2's solid principles for creating evolvable. This ensures our architectures remain truly understandable.
ADRs turn implicit knowledge into explicit, living documentation, one of the highest leverage practices any architecture team can adopt.
Here's the expanded roadmap for today. We start with the fundamental purpose of ADRs and why they were created to solve the problem of lost architectural knowledge. Then we examine the standard ADR template and its key sections. We'll discuss when to create an ADR, how to keep them concise yet useful, and how to integrate them into your development workflow. Next comes tooling and automation for creating, storing, and linking ADRs. Finally, we cover best practices, common anti-patterns, and real-world adoption stories. Everything ties back to Day 35's ML decisions, Day 34's big data choices, and Day 23's hexagonal architecture, showing how ADRs make architectural thinking visible and maintainable. ADRs are the missing link between architecture and long term team understanding. ADRs solve a very common and painful problem in software projects: the loss of architectural context. After a few months or years, no one remembers why a particular technology, pattern, or trade off was chosen. This leads to tribal knowledge, repeated debates, painful onboarding for new engineers, and risky refactoring because the original rationale is forgotten. ADRs provide a lightweight, searchable, version controlled record of important decisions so the team can understand past choices, evaluate whether they still hold, and evolve the system responsibly. They turn implicit decisions into explicit living knowledge. The standard ADR template is intentionally lightweight. It starts with a clear title and unique ID. Status tracks the life cycle of the decision. Context describes the forces and constraints at the time. The decision section states what was chosen. Consequences list both positive and negative outcomes, and alternatives considered documents what was evaluated and why it was rejected. This structure keeps ADRs focused, readable, and useful for years. Simple but incredibly effective. Not every small decision needs an ADR. Write one when the choice has significant long term impact on the system, team, or business. Common triggers include choosing a new technology or framework, adopting a major architectural pattern or style, or accepting important trade offs around scalability, security, performance, or maintainability. The rule of thumb: if a new team member would reasonably ask, "Why did we do it this way?" in 6 months, it deserves an ADR. Quality over quantity. Focus on decisions that matter.
Writing effective ADRs requires discipline. Keep them short and focused, ideally 1 to 2 pages maximum. Use clear, neutral language that future readers can understand without deep context. Always link to related ADRs, tickets, or discussions. When a decision is later changed, create a new ADR that supersedes the old one rather than editing history. ADRs are living documents, not carved in stone. Tools for managing ADRs range from the simplest approach: plain markdown files stored in your repository under Docs ADR, to specialized tools like ADR Tools, CLI, Log4Brains, Web UI, and ADR Manager. Most teams integrate ADRs directly with Git workflows using pull requests for review and GitHub or GitLab for search and linking. Automation can generate templates and enforce consistent formatting. Start simple. Add tools as you scale. Integrating ADRs into your process makes them truly valuable. Create them during architecture spikes, design sessions, or when a decision is finalized. Review ADRs as part of pull requests for major changes. Link them in code comments and issue tickets. Include the ADR collection in new team member onboarding and regular architecture review meetings. ADRs become part of your team's muscle memory. Common ADR anti-patterns include writing them too late or never, making them overly long and bureaucratic, failing to update or supersede decisions when circumstances change, and treating ADRs as formal approval gates rather than living knowledge artifacts. Avoid these to keep ADRs lightweight and valuable. Keep them practical and honest. Cloud-native ML serving typically uses Kubernetes-based solutions like Kserve or Selden Core for model deployment and autoscaling. Many teams choose fully managed serverless options like AWS SageMaker, Google Vertex AI, or Azure ML. Serving infrastructure must scale dynamically based on traffic and model load while integrating seamlessly with the cloud-native patterns we covered on day 20. Modern, elastic, and observable.
A/B testing and canary releases for models are essential. Techniques include shadow traffic, champion challenger comparisons, and gradual rollout with real time monitoring. Automated rollback triggers when performance or business metrics degrade. Decisions should ultimately be driven by business KPIs rather than just model accuracy. Safe experimentation at scale. Cost optimization in ML architecture includes model quantization and knowledge distillation to reduce compute requirements. Using spot instances and intelligent autoscaling can dramatically lower cloud bills. Catching frequent predictions and intelligent request batching reduce inference calls. Finally, choosing the right inference hardware has a massive impact on cost. Sustainable AI at scale. When to build versus buy. Build when you need full control, deep customization, or have strict compliance requirements. Buy managed services when you want faster time to market. Many teams choose hybrid. Key decision factors include team expertise, expected scale, and regulatory constraints. Pragmatic architecture choice. Security and privacy include differential privacy and GDPR compliance. Models must be protected against adversarial attacks. Secure serving includes authentication, encryption, and isolation. Full audit trails are increasingly required. Security must be designed into the ML lifecycle. Observability for AI systems tracks model performance alongside business metrics, detects drift, and provides explainability. Distributed tracing helps debug latency. Everything integrates with Day 18 observability. You can't improve what you can't observe.
Real-world examples include recommendation systems at Netflix and Amazon, real-time fraud detection, predictive maintenance from IoT data, and personalization engines across e-commerce and media, lessons from production systems. Emerging trends include LLMOps, federated learning, AutoML, foundation models, and deep convergence between big data and AI platforms. The future is already here. Best practices. Treat models and data as code. Design for continuous retraining. Build observability early. Start simple and evolve to full MLOps. Sustainable, evolvable AI systems.
Recapping day 36, we explored architectural decision records as a lightweight way to document important choices.
Covered templates, when to write them, tools, integration, best practices, and pitfalls. The key takeaway. ADRs turn implicit architectural knowledge into explicit, searchable, and maintainable records that dramatically improve team understanding and system evolution. Day 37 covers refactoring legacy systems and strategies for modernizing monolithic codebases.
Homework. Pick a recent architectural decision in your project and write a short ADR for it. Questions, drop them in the comments. We'll reply. Thanks so much for joining us. If this helped, give it a like, share with your network, and subscribe for the full series.